Hello and welcome, Victor here from Crewe, and I am delighted to present this used Audi Q7 3.0 TDI V6 Black Edition Tiptronic Quattro, finished in black and powered by a diesel engine producing 272 PS paired with automatic transmission. This SUV delivers luxury, space and power. The Q7 Black Edition stands out with LED headlights, bold titanium black grille and sculpted S-line bumpers. Privacy glass and black roof rails enhance its sleek profile. The 21-inch alloys underline its road presence, and with adaptive air sport suspension, they provide stability and comfort. At the rear, LED lights with dynamic indicators, titanium styling details and power tailgate add both elegance and practicality. The boot is very spacious with flexibility from 7-seat configuration and split folding seats. The power tailgate ensures easy access in a full luggage sports kit or entire family Christmas shop. Rear passengers benefit from generous space, ISOFIX mounts, multi-zone climate control vents and premium finishes. Ambient lighting and panoramic roof add to the sense of luxury. Up front, electrically adjustable sports seats with 4-way lumbar support and heating provide maximum comfort. Piano black inlays, chrome details and illuminated accents complete the refined cabin design. The flat-bottom leather multifunction steering wheel with paddles ensures control, while Audi Virtual Cockpit provides configurable digital display for key driving data. On offer in this vehicle is Deluxe 4-zone automatic climate control, which ensures every passenger enjoys the ideal temperature, perfect for family journeys in summer or winter. The infotainment system offers DAB and streaming with crisp playback, Bluetooth plus Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Audi Connect for infotainment services and online features. You also get MMI Navigation Plus with MMI Touch for advanced guidance and Audi Drive Select, allowing to switch between driving modes for comfort or sport. Additionally, the driver will benefit from the feedback from reversing camera and parking sensors, enhancing maneuvering with clear visuals. This has been a presentation of the Audi Q7 3.0 TDI V6 Black Edition Tiptronic Quattro. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.